Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. Ooh, we are having some homemade pickle wrapped grinder sandwiches, y'all. Italian grinder sandwiches. Don't they look amazing? And we have some homemade pickle chips, and we have a side of blueberries and blackberries. Yummy delicious. And we are drinking raspberry lemonade flavored water. Doesn't that look amazing? Who's had a pickle wrap sandwich grinder style? Let me know. What's up, Yummy Buyers? Welcome back to another episode of Yummybitestv. Y'all already see it. It look delicious. And we are drinking raspberry lemonade flavored water today. Yes, y'all. Oh, that's delicious. Oh my God. Let's pray. Amen. Who is ready for this mother flipping mukbang? Homemade pickle wrapped Italian grinder sandwich. With some homemade pickle chips. Oh my God. That is delicious. Wow. A pickle wrap sandwich. This is delicious. Y'all have to try this. And you don't have to go to Jimmy John's to get this either. Make it at home. Like, seriously. These homemade pickle chips. Oh my God. I've been wanting an Italian grinder sandwich forever. Since I became keto, and girl. This is it. This is a chipotle sauce that I made. These chips, yo. I made them spicy. A spicy pickle chip. I should have said that, but I didn't. Anyway. Incredible. Look at that. Mmm. I mean, everything is good. Wow. I'm glad I used this paper because it would have been a huge mess. Mmm. Mmm. This is too good. I do mean too good. Mmm. 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 Wish I had somewhere to put this paper. Mmm. Oh. All right, we gotta get cleaned up here. This is becoming a mess. I need something to drink, girl. Oh my God. Delicious. Oh, excuse me. So how was y'all's Halloween? Oh, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all ain't never gonna believe this. Guess what redheaded lady came knocking on my door yesterday? Can y'all believe it? It was almost, no, it wasn't even yesterday. It was the day before yesterday, I believe. And, like, what? The day before the next month. Y'all, I am done with myself and all that I was going through. It was just her getting ready to come knock on the door. Y'all, I really thought it was over. For real. But nope. I guess it's just gonna start acting crazy now. So, I'm glad I didn't go to the doctor before this happened. Because how embarrassing. These blueberries have been good, y'all. Like, before when we would get blueberries, you would eat these blueberries and they wouldn't even taste like blueberries. Like, I'd be like, why don't they taste like anything? They didn't taste like anything to me, y'all. But anyway, so how was y'all's Halloween? Did y'all celebrate it? We didn't. We was gonna take Jaden to trick or treat, and then Marsha was like, "No, I don't want to participate in none of that." And oh my God, I really wanted to take him, but it's not a big deal. He didn't miss out on nothing because he gets candy on a normal basis, so. Or just stuff he likes, you know what I mean? Oh, this is so good. It's really satisfying my craving for an Italian grinder. Mmm. But anyway, did y'all see that that scene that was depicted in Pennsylvania? They had some type of Halloween parade or something, y'all. And they had Donald Trump. Was he driving the thing or was he walking on the outside? Anyway, they had Kamala, the person who dressed up as her, with her hands shackled and being pulled by this car. A rope was attached to the shackles and she was being pulled by it. Y'all, they just want some daggone attention. Like, that's all it is. And I feel like that ain't Halloween. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't funny. It wasn't fun to look at. It was like, what? How offensive. Y'all should be going to jail. To me, that's threadish. You know? I feel like those are the times that we're in. Oh, y'all, these chips. I thought I was gonna need 2 sandwiches. No, girl. You know what I love? Like when you take your kids trick-or-treating and like the house that you go up to, like they're in character, or they like creep the door open and hand you the candy. Like, I love it when they participate. You know what I'm saying? It makes it more fun. Or when they're sitting outside in a costume and they are looking real scary at everybody. That one was real good for some reason. Man, I could eat these every day. Somebody asked me, why don't you market your sauce like B Love did, right? And so, I know how people look at other people and be like, well, why don't you do that? Like, why aren't you doing that or whatever? But, you know, everybody don't have the same opportunity. You know what I'm saying? I mean, people do have the same opportunity. Y'all know what I mean. Like, or the same finances. Let's say that. It costs a lot of money to get you a seasoning together if you're doing it the right way. You know, if you're not, doing it out of your house, which I believe in some states you can do that. You just got to research, but I've already researched what I can do here. And there's just a couple of roadblocks right now. And the financials is one of them. Oh, excuse me. Oh. One day, I just wait, y'all, my turn, okay? I don't be rushing nothing. I'm gonna let it come to me. But I am checking into it, trust me, okay? I don't know if I want to put it out as a sauce or a seasoning. I don't know yet. And I don't know which one I do because I got two sauces that are bomb. Two. Come on. Did y'all see the final statements from the candidates? Or hear the final statements? I said see the final statements. Kamala did so good, y'all. She did so good. And the people that worked with her, amazing. Absolutely amazing. They need to be commended. They need to be paid very, very well. But she ended off with a positive come together note. Donald Trump, on the other hand. And who was he talking about? Was it Nancy Pelosi? Who was he talking about? He was talking about somebody lining somebody up with a rifle or something. Y'all, I was like, what? This is the last thing that you have to say to the American people? I didn't watch his. I didn't watch Kamala's either. But that was one of the things that he had said in his final speech. Like, I don't care if that was at the beginning of the speech or at the end of the speech. Like, he shouldn't have said that at all. He just be running off at the mouth. So good. I think I'm being bored though. Somebody commented on Murder Show from when we had went out, I guess. I said, oh my God, he's gotten so small. She was concerned. Don't be concerned, y'all. That's exactly what he wanted. He lost the weight that he wanted to lose, and that's the size he wants to be. And honestly, that's him naturally. I met him at that size. He had never been as big as he was. When y'all saw him, he had never been that big in his life. So, he didn't like it. So he changed it. But anyway, y'all, I had a blast for my birthday. I know we didn't really talk about my birthday. I went out to eat to the most amazing Latin restaurant. That was my first time Well, no, it's not my first time going to a Latin restaurant, but it was our first time going to that Latin restaurant. I forgot we went to Fogo de Chao. That's considered Latin. But when I tell y'all, first of all, Marshall found the restaurant, and it was the best restaurant that we have ever went to, y'all. That's the best food we have ever eaten at a restaurant. No joke. Y'all gotta try it. It's called Fernando's. It was delicious. Everything was good, y'all. I had some excuse me, red snapper ceviche. I did not know ceviche was supposed to taste like that. Whoa, buddy. It was like a party in my mouth. I was like, yes. And y'all know I wasn't eating keto that night, right? Okay. Anyway, and I had the best banana, what do you call it? Banana, yo, oh my God, why am I, it's not banana, bread pudding. The best bread pudding I have ever had, y'all. And we thought the best bread pudding was at Razoo's. They got the best bread pudding, and they didn't even have to pour that caramel sauce all over it. No, there was no sauce, y'all. It was the best, most moist. Oh, y'all, it was so good. If you're in Houston, please go to that restaurant and just, oh my God, it's so good. We had, I told Marshall just to order for us, right? And of course, we were eating off of each other's plate, or whatever. We had this like chicken plate, y'all know the names. This chicken plate. We had oh, before that we had appetizers. So we had like this like fried like shrimp with this sauce, and then the red snapper ceviche in the middle, and then there was a beef oh my God, empanada, steak empanada. I've never tasted the empanada so juicy. The outside was crispy and flaky and delicious, y'all. It was so good. I drank for my 50th birthday. Do y'all know there was 2 other people in the same restaurant with the same birthday? We were all celebrating at that restaurant on that night. Isn't that amazing? It was a white, really, really old guy. And then there was an Asian girl that was there with her 3 girlfriends. Just having a girls' night out, y'all. I was like, wow, it's all 3 of our birthday. And they like do this little special thing for your birthday. Where they turn off all the lights and then like a DJ, you know, start singing happy birthday. Like, it was so cute. At first I didn't want it, and then I saw everybody else getting it. And you know, Marisha was like, you want them to do that, but you don't you? And I was like, no, but they did it. I gotta put that footage out. Which I'm gonna be putting it out today. So it's gonna already be up once y'all see this. So go watch that video after y'all watch this one. And make sure y'all follow me over there. And yeah, y'all, we was just having a good time. You know what I noticed? Me and Marshall, we connect over food. Like, we really do. Like, do y'all have that with anybody? Because I really noticed that. Like, we really connect over food. Like, we have so much freaking fun. It was fun. We was laughing. I had 2 Long Islands. Marshall drank, what are those things called? Because I don't even like them. A sangria. 2 sangrias. And when I tasted his, I ain't like his. It has like an off taste to it or something like that to me. Anyway, while we met the owner, girl, we met the owner, and you know, we was just vibing out and talking to the owner, and the owner was like, "Have y'all ever had tequila and was it Moscato? Did he say tequila and Moscato? I think it's tequila and Moscato. There is a drink, y'all, a liquor, where they have it mixed. And we took a shot with him, y'all. He took us to the back where the bar was, and he poured us some drinks, y'all. We cheers. Like, oh my God, we taking a shot with the owner. But he was so nice. When we were just letting him know how good the food was and how, like, it was some of the best food we've ever had at a restaurant, y'all. And we, you know, let him know we've been a lot of places. And his food, oh, it's top tier. When I tell you, like, it tasted like it didn't come in a box, basically. You know, everything was fresh, everything. The service was amazing. The music, oh my God, it was so nice. And it was so low. You know what I'm saying? The vibes were exactly what me and Murder Show love. You know? It wasn't a whole bunch of people up in there. It was literally 3 groups of people. It was me and Murder Show, another group that was celebrating this old guy's birthday, and it was just a bunch of like old people at this long table. They was vibing out, and then the Asian girls, they was vibing out. So it was only 3 groups of us, y'all. That's it in the restaurant, and they only are open from 5 to 9, Monday through Friday. I don't know about the weekends, but it is a gem, y'all. It is literally a diamond in the rough. Because I don't think many people know about that. That was my first time even hearing about it when Murder Show told me. I was like, wow, like, he picked a good one, y'all. Like, I was so happy. Mother. Did y'all see that shit? There was something in that napkin that squirted all over my freaking dress. That's annoying. Thank God I didn't ruin it. What in the world is wrong here? There. Alright. Now, what was I saying before this daggone camera turned off? What was I talking about? These blueberries are better than the blackberries. They're sweet. Yeah, I'm trying to remember what I was talking about in that last clip. Doesn't look like I'm gonna remember. Mm. There was a conversation going around on TikTok about this girl. Okay, she asked a question to this other young lady, right? She said, why is my man always looking at other women? Okay. Who have an answer to that? Let me know in the comments. Why do y'all think that men look at other women when they are already in relationships or they're married or, they're already locked in, but they're looking at other women? What do y'all think it is? Now, a couple things that this girl was talking about. She was saying that, well, what do you look like around the house? Like, you know what I'm saying? When you're comfortable around your house, what are you looking like? And she was like, sweatpants and blah, 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 a bonnet and all this stuff. This girl was saying that you gotta check what you be looking like. What? Is that why? What do y'all think? Like, I feel like it could probably be lots of reasons. I don't know, but men should know better than that. Especially if y'all are out together and he's looking, because that's the only way that she knows that he's looking, because they're together. So how disrespectful is that? How disrespectful? Why can a man know that that is disrespectful? Because if the woman would do it, he would think that was hella disrespectful. Why are you looking at this other man while we are together, or while I'm here? That's how he would feel. So why can't he maybe think like, my God? And I know we all have eyes, because I know somebody's gonna say that. We all have eyes, but we know where to plant our eyes when we're with our significant other. Okay, your eyes are not stupid. They go where you tell them to go. So you have to learn how to control your eyes. That's how I feel about that. If you don't want me doing it, don't do it to me. Like, you can't control them if they're out on their own and they're looking at women or whatever. Look away. But when you with me, when you next to me, that's unacceptable. Straight up. And if I comment on a woman while we're out or whatever, okay, yes, you're allowed, because I'm giving you the permission to. You know what I'm saying? If I say, oh, ain't she cute or whatever, who really does that though all the time, You might, if somebody's like blowing your mind, like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. But most of the time, you're not going to be doing that. But who doesn't mind their man looking at other women while y'all are out together? Who doesn't mind? Because there's people out there like that. Because they'll call somebody like me jealous, possessive, controlling, all that stuff. Real quick. Call me what you want to. Yeah. But that young lady, she was like, y'all probably ain't gonna want to hear what I gotta say. But how you be looking? How do you keep yourself up? Are you something to look at? When y'all are out or when y'all at home, or I don't know. I feel like that's just common sense, and you shouldn't have to check the way that you look for your man not to be, looking at other women. Why is it that color? Anyway. I'm wondering, like, did people, like, go out and trick-or-treat yesterday? Like, did they? Nobody came to our door. And maybe because we didn't have any candy outside, or I don't know. No, but no, or decorations. Nobody came to my door. Usually, it doesn't matter if you have decorations or not. They'll come to your door just to see. You know, you might have candy in the house. You never know. My parents don't decorate, but they have a big ass thing of candy in their house waiting. Y'all, I have been loving wearing my natural hair. I know this is the only style I've worn it in so far, but I'm going to try to think of some more stuff to do besides straightening my hair. But I've really been enjoying it, y'all. Not having like a tight wig on my head, or always having to have my hair pulled back, or you know what I'm saying, and twist and stuff, you know. It just, I feel free with my natural hair, you know. I wish I would have never straightened it so it wouldn't like have heat damage, but we live and we learn. Y'all, I was 3 seconds from putting a relaxer on my hair. For real. About a week ago, I swear I was gonna do it. I'm glad I didn't. But I am thinking about cutting my hair into like a shape. Because what is long hair? I've always had long hair. It's time to switch it up. And like I need a shape for when I want to wear it down. If I could possibly wear it down, I don't know, because it just looks thin to me. Even though I dyed it, I thought that dyeing it was going to make it look thicker, but no. Y'all saw it. Whoever watching me on the Family Vlog channel. Girl, I was like, oh no, I'm not wearing my hair down. It's going up, honey. I might play with some clip-ins, possibly. That matches my texture. Yeah, this is so good. Anyway, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go vote. Go vote. That's probably like the most important thing that you're going to do all year. Vote. Please, we need you. We need you, and we need you to vote for Kamala. Okay? That's what we need. Phew. Y'all, it was raining like cats and freaking dogs. When was it? Yesterday? I think it was. But y'all, wasn't that funny though? Yesterday I came and I was like, I feel so good. I'm not cramping no more, y'all. It was so weird. That same day, I came on it, y'all. I guess it was like, I don't know, y'all. I just feel like my body is messing with me and it's driving me to freak crazy, for real. Driving me crazy. Anyway, there I go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do what? Oh, wait. What am I doing? Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Follow me on the Family Vlog channel. Also, follow me on my cooking show at Cooking Keto with Yummy Bites. Everything is going to be linked in the description box under everything Yummybitestv. Okay? Now, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do what? Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. For everyday videos. Everyday videos. Hey, hey, and I will see you guys on tomorrow. Peace. Y'all come back now. Yeah. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.